Can you point where is the lorry? Very good. Okay. Can you point where is the helicopter? That's great. Can you point where is the train? That's nice. Okay. So can you see a girl who's riding a bike? Yes. Okay. So I have here some pictures. Now, can you get the pear? Get the pear. Okay. Put the pear next to the helicopter. Okay. Now, where is the pear?
The pear is
Next
next to the helicopter.
Very good. Okay. Can you please get the watch? Watch. Watch. Where is the watch? Yes. Okay. Now, can you put the watch on the lorry? On the lorry. Okay. Where is the watch?
The watch is on the lorry.
Very good. On the lorry. Okay. Now, can you get the potato? Where is the potato? Okay. Can you put the potato under the helicopter? Okay. Where is the potato?
Its potato is under the helicopter.
Okay. The potato is under the helicopter. Okay. Now, can you get the frog? Put the frog, okay, next to the train. Okay, where is the frog?
The frog is next to the train.
Yes, okay. Now, what is this again?
Frog.
Okay, frog. Are you afraid of frog? Yes? Or are you scared of frog?
No.
No, you're not scared of frog. Okay, how about potato? Do you like potato?
Yes.
Yes. What about pear? Do you like pear?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. Very good. Now, again, what is this?
Sun.
Can you tell me the color of the sun?
Color is yellow.
Okay, the color is yellow. What is this?
Is
Radio.
radio.
Okay, can you tell me the color of the radio?
Radio is red.
Red. What else?
Red is
Red, gray, and
yellow.
yellow. Alright. And how about this one? What is this?
It's the train.
Okay, it's a chair. Okay. So now what is she doing?
She is
Riding.
bike.
Okay, she's riding a bike. Okay. Where are the 4 people? Can you see 4 people in our picture? Can you see 4 people in our picture? 4 people? Only one. How about 4 people? Yes. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are. Okay, there are 4 people. Yes. Okay. What's the weather here? What's the weather? It's cloudy. Okay, it's cloudy. Very good. Okay. So, do you have any brothers and sisters? Do you have brother and sister? Do you have? brother, sister. No.